Tired of snail mail and want to ditch the paper bill? Let's jump right into how to pay your Old Navy credit card online, making managing your money faster and easier than ever. First, head over to the Old Navy website. If you haven't already set up your online account, click on the Sign In button, typically found in the top right corner, then select Register Now. On the registration page, you'll need to enter your Old Navy credit card number, billing zip code, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Follow the prompts to create a username and password. Make sure to choose a strong, secure password that you can remember. Once you've successfully registered and logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Look for the Make a Payment button, usually prominently displayed on the page. Now, you'll see options to choose your payment amount. You can pay the minimum amount due, the statement balance, or a custom amount. Next, select your payment method. You can add a bank account if this is your first time, or select a previously saved one. You'll need your bank account number and routing number handy. Review all the payment details carefully, including the payment date and amount. Once you're sure everything is correct, click the Submit Payment button. You should receive a confirmation message on the screen, and an email confirmation will also be sent to your registered email address. For ultimate convenience, explore the option to schedule future payments. This allows you to set up recurring payments so you never miss a due date. It's a great way to stay on top of your balance and avoid late fees. And that's it. You've successfully paid your Old Navy credit card online.